hear now from the leader of a country facing a mounting water crisis as climate change causes extremely severe and more frequent droughts. The Prime Minister of Pakistan.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Some 20 years ago, if we spoke about climate change, we were normally met with cynicism, skepticism, even ridicule. But today, anyone can see that climate change is for real. Record temperatures in Siberia, ice melting on the poles, temperatures in Europe unprecedented, fires ravaging Australia, California, cyclones, hurricanes. If the world does not take notice now, I'm afraid we will be endangering our future generations. We in Pakistan realized about a decade ago that the glaciers that feed our rivers, the glaciers and the mountains that feed our rivers, the rivers that feed our population, the glaciers were melting at a much faster rate. So when my government came to power some 7 years ago in one of the provinces in KP, we set ourselves the target of planting 1 billion trees. We achieved that target. And then when my party came into power in the center, in the federal government, we have set ourselves a target of planting 10 billion trees. I really feel that this is the time for the world to come together and fight climate change.